guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the National Geography tele microscope. So there's two things, a microscope and a telescope. So here I have both all the parts of it. This is for the telescope, and this the other part is for the microscope thing. So here, so first of all, we're gonna see how to assemble this microscope. Firstly, we need a screwdriver. At the end here, you guys can see a screw here that you have to open. And then you just take it out. And I already put two batteries in. You can put any kind of batteries. You need double A batteries. Put it in, and then you just okay. I'll put this back in. Aim. Hey, finally it's in. I don't know what I was doing. I seriously do not know what I was doing. Then you tighten it, and then yes, and this is how you assemble the microscope itself. Then for a specimen, you have these three bottles. I can show you. You have these three bottles. Specimen bottle number one. I already have one specimen, so it's a good thing. And then number three. You have three bottles to put your specimen. And a specimen is basically like a thing that you can look in the microscope. So yeah. And then this thing is not sharp. It's not sharp. It's used for like taking out, cutting a specimen, basically. And then I think I have one here. Yes. I have a piece of a leaf that we can like use a microscope for, and this is you can't just see through the microscope like completely like this. You can't do that. You have a specific thing that's applied with the which is like this, and then you can like put it on the microscope like that. Apparently, like so you can, and also plus you can actually make it like zoom in more. You put it in, and then you can like see through. And then first and second of all, you have these things. You can they adjust the platform. You can see up, down, up, down, and then you see these little things. These things, yeah, 1, 2, 3. They say like numbers on it. Like this is 4 times more zoomed in than the naked eye. This is 40 times. The blue one is 40 times more zoomed in than a naked eye, and then the yellow one is at 10 times more zoomed in than the naked eye. Yes. And then the red one is obviously 4 times. And then it also gives you this box, and then if you open it, you have these three things, and they already supply you with 3 of the ones that are already made, apparently. And then, okay. And then this one and these ones that you can look in the microscope. Number 1 is onion bulb, and the other one is cucurumbita and tiala stem. You have these three that they supply you with, and the rest of these like glass plates are used for your own specimen. Like I can give an example with the thing. I don't know what's the. I'm sorry. Yes, and then after these, they also supply you with tweezers that I hope it's in my head. Yes. And then this, so if I take this specimen and take a little itty bitty part of it, yes, and I put the rest of the specimen back, and then I take a normal plate without anything, you can see through it, put it on. And then you have this thing, I don't know what it's used for, but I use it for, no. What I use it for, like, when a specimen is, I need another specimen, oh my, where's the specimen, okay. Yes. So in case, just take this as an example. If it's on the corner, you can move it in front. That's what I use this for, like a flat side. And then you take it, and you can see like these metal things, guys. Here, those are used for like putting it in. And here's a perfect example for that. No, you don't do that. Yes, you put it in like, you can see, under that. And you put it, you see like there's a little hole there. I don't know if you can see it, but then if you press a button here, it actually activates a light that, well, you can see, then you can actually see through it. I'll tell what I see. So far, nothing. I hope I can see something. The hell's over here? I don't know how to see. Yes, I can see it, and then you can actually move to look betterly in there, like the pattern of it. And if you're wondering what this is, you actually take this out, and then you can put this in for like a smartphone if you want to take a photo of anything. I don't know. This thing. Oh, I see now. Okay, and then there's also this thing for like brightness, I think, and then you can actually put this in. And you actually move in there, and then you can see stuff. And then, for example, if I want to see that, can I see it right now? Yes, I can see it. It's like cyan. To me, it's cyan color. Which one is it? And plus, if you have something else to look at that you don't have, you can obviously put it on one of those glass plates, and then you just look. Then you close it, and then you put these two things back. You see these little corners here? Those are used for putting the plates back in. You didn't know. Probably. And they're also supplied with this since it's glass, and make sure nobody steps on it. Also snap or break, or yes, break. It'll just break in like half. You don't want that to happen, because you know, just break apart, and you don't want your stuff to be broke. And then the last one, when it's in, then you just close it up. Make sure this puffy thing doesn't go. And then then you put it back in, and there's a special slot for each of these. I will tell at the end. Okay, so and then you can put your specimen in this container, and then you have this. I don't know. Okay, then also you also have like this thing that I've done for you before. Yes. Move and then tweeters and you like those things. This thing. Force them. And then we have this. So let's move on and look at the telescope that has less parts, but it's okay, the same coolness. So supply with this, and then if you don't know how to open it, you don't do this, you do this. You tilt it here, and then you see this thing right here, then you press it down, and when you close it, you flip it upside down, and then you just put it like down, and then, yeah, that's it. And then, this is what you do. You don't put the telescope like this, and you don't put the telescope like this, and then you see stars. No. You see this thing, guys, here, like this part, you actually just put it in, and then, you see this thing? Yes, you see, and then, then you adjust, so everything so this thing can actually go through the gap. That's what you want. Go through it! Oh my gosh, you're so annoying. Yes, fine, it's in. It's in! Yes, it's in! Then you just tighten it up. And yes, I know it looks like a telescope, but it's not going to work until you do one major step that you probably might have already figured out. You see, this is a telescope. There's a cap that you should take. And there's two ways to take it out. First, you just take that out, and the first time I did it was to take that out. I don't know what makes sense. And you don't look through it like from here. See this bolt thing here? You actually take it out. It's a real important piece. Take it out, put it in somewhere carefully on your laptop. Then you see this part. So this is how this works. So there's basically a glass piece here that reflects the image from here to here. I can see you guys. Really see you guys. Yes. You can see my hand even though it's not supposed to work. Then you see the metal part, not the plastic, not the place where the bolt thing. On the other side, you put this in like that, facing up. Then here comes the important piece of this bolt. You screw it where it was earlier. And then you look it through, says no one. You shouldn't do that. So they supply you with these two things. One of them is apparently I don't know how to say this, H6mm. That's for pros in telescope stuff. And the ones that are not for pros is H20mm that you should use for beginning. And this is how you put it back in. You see this bolt here? You just how do I do a bolt? Yes, then you unscrew it up and then or you can actually put it half. You see this plastic thing, guys? You can put it half it through, and then you take the thing, you just put it here. It'll go down. You have to adjust it. And then you see this. You can tighten it. Okay, you just tighten it up, and then of course you take the lid off. And then you can. Oh, can see out. Yes. Yes, and don't think there's no window there. There's an actual window in the body. Then disassemble the telescope. And the other one is for pros, obviously. So you just take that out. If you became a pro, you just take that out. And this is how you unassemble. With a microscope, you don't need to unassemble it. But this one is like the most compact telescope that National Geographic makes. I think. Oh, oh. Yes, you just take it out, screw it back in, and then show me how to put it back in. Then you unassemble this screw thing that I told you earlier for easy. Whee! I'm out. That's pretty easy. I'm gonna say that thing the whole night. No, and then it falls out, you glue it, and then you just take it out, put it down. For this one, I told you guys earlier, you do that. And then this is how you put in the whole box. I'm showing you guys the whole box. That I put it the laptop there. This is the whole box that it comes in. Put it back in. The pain of putting it back in. First of all, open it. I have to adjust it in a good way. It's gonna be hard. Ooh. Which should I choose? Raw. Yes. Can you guys? Yes. This is how the inside of the box, like. Collapsing happens. This is how you do it. It looks kind of weird. No, this is the telescope. And then apparently put it here. See here you put it in. And then make sure you don't do this button accidentally, guys. These things apparently are used to like zoom it in. Now, so then they should like go. You should put it like this, not like this. Put that in. Put this in. And then it's really hard to put it all in. That's what I'm doing. And then you see this stand, guys. You shouldn't put it down like this. That could damage the scope. So you put it up. And then you put it next to the telescope. And I'm definitely not saying here, but here. And you put it in. Just go in already. And then you see the where the hell is it? And then first of all, I have to put these back in. I forgot to because I forget everything. And then you see these bottles, guys. I will say this. See this part here, here. You put this in, and the other one there's another hole next to it. You can put it in. And you guys see this gap here. You can put these parts in. I'm gonna show the following. This one, of course, goes in there. For that, you put that in, that in. And then also this part from the microscope goes there. That in. I didn't know where this belonged to, so I just put it here. Really, and actually is a good place. And then a microscope goes here. You guys can see a microscope shaped thing that you can put it in. And then you see these things that the glass paints have. Here, there's a box so that you can put these in. And then you see this bottle here goes here in the holder. This thing goes, no, not this. It goes here. And then, where's the thing? Oh, wait, it's fine. Fine. Yes, you see this thing, this knife thing that I told you earlier? It goes here, here. And then you put it like this. The back should always go like that. And then the same with this one. You see the middle side that was left out earlier. Just here. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! And no. Yes. No, 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 no. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, everything was wrong. Really? Is that way? Put it in. And why is it not going in? What did I wrong? You put this in. Finally, and then you see these specimen bottles, guys. Okay, you see these gaps? I don't know why it's like this extra row, but see these gaps? You put them in. One. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Even though it was easy. Oh. And you see these things actually used to make your own specimens. Like you saw a square on the specimen. That's what these things are filled with. You put them here. There's a square here that you can put it. And then for these tweezers, you see these bottles that we put earlier? Remove the ones that's the closest to the knife, and then you can just put it in, and then you put it back on. And then you see this long thingy thing. You put it here. See this long thing up? You just put it in. That. This is a thing for to get the samples in, and then you know the long thing we put earlier. There's also like a whole box thing that there is that you can put it in, and the smartphone thing case comes here. And last but not least, this part goes here at the end. I think that's all it. Yes, and that's it for today. The whole tutorial.